Howdy students, Mr. Anderson here. Today's video we're going to look at how to create things using what's called additive building, and I'll explain the difference between that and subtractive building. Okay? So first let's sort of reposition what we're looking at here. Okay? Now, let's use the rectangle tool. Let's draw ourselves a small rectangle. We're going to make like a chair, okay? Roughly based on the height of this guy. Maybe not exactly, but we'll make ourselves a little chair. Okay, so we have ourselves a rectangle. It's just 2D right now, so let's use the push-pull tool to make it 3D. This is going to be like the seat of the chair, okay? Now, let's rotate around a little bit. Now, let's make the back of the chair. So we've got this shape. Additive building is just pulling pieces off of the original shape to add to it. Okay, so I'm going to draw me a line right here in the back, and now I can just pull off of that and make the back of my chair. Okay, so we didn't make two separate pieces and combine them. We just had the one piece and we just built off of it. Okay, hopefully you can see how this is going to end up working for us. We'll just pull some legs off of the bottom. Okay, so let's look at the bottom down here. Let's draw ourselves a rectangle on the bottom right here. Let's give ourselves a rectangle over here. Hello. There we go. A rectangle over here. And a rectangle here. They might not be the same size right now, but no big deal. And then we're going to use the push-pull tool, and we're going to pull down off of them. Okay? Pull down, we'll pull down, we'll pull down, and we'll pull down. Okay? Now when we look at this from the side, our legs are not the same length. Okay? And we do want them to be the same length. And I like the length of this one right here. Looks pretty proportional. Let's just make them all that length. Okay? So as I'm looking at the bottom here, we can get them all to be exactly the same length by using the push-pull tool. And where we're pulling on this leg, I'm just going to I'm still click down on the mouse, and I'm going to pull over here and touch the bottom of that one. Okay, same thing over here. I'm going to pull it down, touch the bottom of this one. And here, pull down, touch the bottom of this one. Now, they're all the same length. And we have ourselves a little chair. For our man, it's below the horizon. So we can just use the select tool, select the whole thing, and use the move tool to move it up and down. It's almost where we want it. Let's try that again. Move it up. Okay, so that's additive building. Okay, and that chair is a little bit big for that guy, but no big deal. It's still cool. Additive building. We start with a basic shape, and then we just pull things off of it as we add to it. Okay? I'm going to make one small change to this chair. I don't like how thick the back is, so I'm going to make that a little narrower. There we go. Now I like it. Now that's a good looking chair. Okay? So give it a shot. Practice using the tools, and that is additive building. Look for the other video that I'm going to make called subtractive building. Okay? This is Mr. Anderson signing off.